The story of Cul-de-sac House is one of architectural archaeology, a sensitive reimagining that stitches together three separate land parcels in inner Melbourne. It is a project rooted in the concept of remembering where you came from, where SJB directors Michael Bialek and Andrew Parr sought to honor the history of a young family that has since grown into a new era with teenage children. By collecting adjacent sites and an existing townhouse, the architects created a domestic campus that functions as an honest expression of the family's evolution. Strategy played a key role in the site's layout, utilizing its unique access to two separate dead-end streets. The design team designated the southern cul-de-sac for vehicular access, allowing the northern entry to be preserved as a purely pedestrian experience. This clever separation of utility and arrival sets the stage for a home that feels like a sanctuary, where much of the original building fabric was carefully retained and repurposed. A neighboring townhouse was even transformed into a dedicated hub for recreation and wellness, further expanding the home's footprint without losing its soul. The architectural intervention focuses on a seamless transition between the past and the present. Rather than erasing previous renovations, the design retains the contemporary character and bold colors of the original home while introducing a new wing. The expansion is grounded in modern lifestyle needs, prioritizing northern orientation to flood the living spaces with natural light. The result is a house that feels cohesive. The new elements, including a parent's retreat and formal living areas, blend so naturally with the old that the boundaries between eras are intentionally blurred. Central to the home's identity is the integration of nature through a series of landscaped courtyards and a sprawling central lawn. This greenery acts as the connective tissue for the entire property, ensuring that the outdoors is visible and accessible from almost every vantage point. The architecture uses sliding screens and expansive window systems to dissolve the threshold between the interior and the garden. This approach makes the residence feel vast not through sheer square footage, but through its constant dialogue with the surrounding landscape. Inside, the material palette reflects a sophisticated play of light and shadow, using off-form concrete, timber, and plaster to create a tactile environment. The design avoids the clinical feel of many modern homes by opting for mottled and aged textures that suggest a lived-in history. Color is used strategically to define the atmosphere, with deep, saturated hues, like rich blues and earthy greens, imbued into the fabrics and finishes. These choices ensure that even the larger, more open volumes of the house remain intimate and comfortable for the family. Ultimately, Cul-de-sac House stands as a testament to the idea that a home can grow alongside its inhabitants. By preserving the good in the existing fabric while introducing thoughtful new interventions, SJB has created a space where the family can continue to evolve. It is a deeply experiential residence that feels as though it was built all at once, successfully capturing the essence of the family's past while providing a generous, light-filled stage for their future.